Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys, how can we forget guys, how can we forget guys Bluetooth headphone. Once you want to forget your Bluetooth headphone to your phone, so how can you forget today? I will show you in this video. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to forget guys your Bluetooth headphone? Then open your phone setting. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone Bluetooth setting guys tap here. Friends, you can see guys your phone Bluetooth setting guys. You can see guys your device name. You want to rename the device name, you can rename. And once you can see from Bluetooth settings, so friends you can see this right side arrow guys. You want to forget your Bluetooth headphone, tap here. Friends you can see a rename option guys, tap here. Friends you want to change guys your Bluetooth headphone device name, you can change from here. Friends click on unpair option means forget. Then it will forget to your phone guys. It will not use. Then guys you cannot use this headphone with your Redmi phone guys. You want to use, you will have to connect again. So we will off our headphone. So guys your Bluetooth headphone will forget to your phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friend. Before going guys, please go and like the video. And guys, sorry for this sound guys. Children are playing outside. I am really sorry guys for this sound.